The definition of music. Music is the combination of sounds or the arrangement of sound in a manner pleasing to the ear. When sound is not pleasant, it becomes a mere noise. Properties of a tone. We're not going to look at it one after the other. The first property we're going to look at is the pitch. This is the property which has to do with the highness or the lowness of sound. It can also be referred to as the frequency of a tone. When dealing with staff, it is the varying height or depth of sound. The second property is the duration. Duration is the length of time for which the tone sounds. It is usually in relation with the musical notes duration. We are going to see them in further lectures. Another property of tone is intensity. This is the property that the ear perceives as the loudness or softness of sound. Example, ha 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 ha. That is the intensity of sound. Also, we have quality as another property of a tone. This is the characteristics property which enable one to distinguish the sounds of an instrument from a human voice, and also to distinguish between the sounds of a various musical instruments. Now let's go to staff notation. What is staff notation? In music, we make use of 5 lines, parallel lines, and 4 intervening spaces called the staff. As you can see on the screen, these are 5 lines and 4 spaces. We're going to break it down more. And just like we can see, the lines are 5. The spaces are numbered and they are 4. The lines and the spaces are numbered from the down, from the bottom. 5 lines and 4 spaces. Musical sounds are also represented on the paper by the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's go to treble clef. The clef notation that we have: treble clef, bass clef, soprano clef, alto clef, tenor clef. These are the available clefs that you have, the one we make use of in music.